let's talk a little bit about the Fold 7 and how hard it is to open. So I've seen a lot of people, struggling opening it, myself included, and I think I found a better way. So if you put your thumb on the opposite side and your other thumb on the opposite side and you push, it opens up nice and easy. So boom, I could do it all day. And I think this is a good way to open it because say you're holding it like this, right? You miss it, you're on a street corner, that's falling out of your hand. If you open it like this and it slips, it just goes into your hands. I've seen that like some people on Reddit putting like little rubber stamps or even grip tape on it, and I saw somebody say, "Oh, that's like an old man solution," and I thought that was really funny because I was thinking of putting some like TPU on there. But a case really helps. So like this one's an Aramid fiber case, $39 on AliExpress. Don't get ripped off. I'm seeing so many people like showing off their new $100 Aramid fiber cases that is the exact same thing, and I know a lot about this because I bought a bunch of them. So the later cases are nice. I think they have a contract where the company like won't sell that same color to anyone else. But all the other cases, they're just made by different companies and rebranded to you. Like I won't say any names, but there's another case company and they just get these cases, rebrand them and sell them to you for a 200% markup and throw in a screen protector. And yeah, don't get ripped off. Just go to AliExpress. At least do some research on that. Anyways, back to the phone Fold 7 opening. So yeah, case really helps. I like this Aramid fiber case. Super thin, barely adds any height to it. Keeps your camera bumps protected. I'm not worried about dropping it or leaving it. You do have to put like a little piece of tape on here that comes with it. But for the opening, you just thumb, push, open. So this makes me feel a lot more comfortable. I don't know if everyone else knew this or not, but I hope this helps somebody. Let me know in the comments if you got your Fold 7 and if this helps, or if everyone who has a foldable already knows that's how you should open it. I've also noticed that like when you close it, a lot of people are like don't know what to do when I lend it to them and they like push in the screen and I'm like, no. So when I close it too, I like to just like push like right here. So I like to just like close it like that. But I don't know if you guys have any other cool ways to fold your phone or unfold it, let me know. And I really hope people start opening it like this because I think that's way better. Anyways, thanks for watching. I do a bunch of tech related stuff, tech news, 3D printing, that kind of stuff. So if you're into that, consider subscribing. And if you're not into that, definitely don't subscribe because I don't want you watching and clicking off my videos. But if you do like that kind of stuff, I like to 3D print and do tech stuff. And yeah, consider a subscribe and or a like if this helped you. Okay, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, nerds.